Good morning. All right, who do we have here?
So today we're here at Government Center, and I brought my son Patrick, who just turned 12 a few weeks ago, in for his COVID-19 vaccine, his first dose.
When we vaccinate a child, they need to have an adult with them because I have to ask the parents' permission. We make sure they're over 12, and then once we do that, we go through the safety questionnaire with both the child and the parent. Have you ever had COVID?
No.
Wonderful. Glad to hear it. Are you allergic to anything? Foods, medication, anything like that?
No.
No? Is that so, Mom?
That's correct.
Excellent. And then we just clean off the arm, give them the vaccine, put a Band-Aid, and send them on their way.
It's really important to me that my son is protected against COVID-19. As a parent and as a public health worker, I can tell you one of the things that's been scariest for me about this pandemic is just the randomness of the disease. So many people have died. So many people have been hospitalized. And then on the flip side of that, you have folks who have no symptoms or mild symptoms. And then you have all these people who have had these long-term effects. Okay. It's all too scary and it's all too risky for me. And I just didn't want to roll the dice on the possibility of him getting COVID-19. So we decided to get him vaccinated instead.
All right, that is yours.
He was quite a sport about it. He actually was pretty enthusiastic himself to get vaccinated. He plays a lot of sports, and so I think it gives him peace of mind knowing that he's protected on the field and that he's protecting his friends and his family. It's really important that you do your due diligence and research your decision. And when you're doing that research, make sure that you're getting information from reputable sources. For me, this was really easy. I work at the health department. I'm across the hall from the doctors and the nurses and public health workers who patiently have answered every single one of my questions. So for others who don't necessarily have that good fortune, I would encourage you to talk to your doctor, talk to your child's pediatrician, talk to other healthcare providers, and have them guide you with some other additional information resources that might be useful to you. Vaccination is available here in the Fairfax Health District, and if you're interested in making a vaccine appointment, you can go to fairfaxcounty.gov/COVID-19, and you'll see the vaccine information pinned right to the top of the page. You can also search for vaccine appointments on vaccines.gov, that's vaccines.gov, or you could call the health department at 703-324-7404 to make an appointment over the phone.